गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू संज्ञान ब्लॉग्स। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक. So it's a beautiful Sunday morning today. So I thought of vlogging because I was thinking to go out with my family for a lunch basically. So if I talk about a few days back, it was Valentine's Day. Not few days back, it was like 2 days back itself. Sorry. So Valentine's Day pe me and Gyan thought of going out somewhere for a dinner. However, we couldn't plan that, तो हमने घर पे ही ऐसे ही celebrate कर लिया था together. So उस time से pending था कहीं बाहर जाना. So I thought of going out for a lunch by taking out my family, my mother, because it's been long. She also hasn't went out somewhere. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Also, apart from having the lunch, I thought of doing some shopping for myself, wherein I was thinking to buy a good pair of jeans for myself. So if you don't know guys, let me tell you, there is a sale which is going on American Eagle. So मेरे पास अभी बहुत दिन से उनका मैसेज भी आ रहा था इनफैक्ट कि अमेरिकन ईगल पे एक जीन्स के साथ जब दूसरी जीन्स अगर आप परचेस करते हो तो यू विल गेट अ 40% ऑफ. Plus, this February month is again very special. January was special because it was my birthday, and February is special because it's Gyan's birthday in February. So there is a discount again going for the birthday month for Gyan. So 25% का discount वैसे भी मुझे मिलने वाला है. So I thought of why not to grab this particular special offer which is being offered to us. That 40% off is going to be for every one of you, and if you would have registered your number on American Eagle, so आपके पास भी ये messages वगैरह आएंगे कि birthday month है तो you can get a discount. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I would be going to Burkos because मम्मी को as such चाइनीज़ का कभी मैंने बर्कोस में जाके खिलाया नहीं था, तो आई थॉट ऑफ टेकिंग आउट her to Burkos. So yeah, I would be leaving in some time guys, and if anyone is new to my channel guys, please subscribe to my channel Sangyan Vlogs. And so I'll see you guys in some time. मैं जल्दी से अब रेडी हो जाती हूँ. It's 11:30 in the morning. I already had my breakfast. So I had chila with coffee without sugar in my breakfast. So I have been dieting for some time now, and the good part is I've already lost 3 kgs in 1 month. So I'm very happy. So I'm going to continue this diet because अगर आपने मेरा last कुछ vlogs देखा होगा तो I haven't been keeping well with my health. So इसलिए भी मैंने सोचा था कि just to diet and just to reduce my portion in food and things like that. So yeah, that's the plan guys. I'll quickly just show you what I'll be wearing for today, what would be the OOTD for the day for me. So let me just meet you in some time and let me show you what I'm going to wear. So please stay tuned guys. Just ignore my messy hair in this vlog. इतने ज़्यादा मेरे बाल रफ हो चुके हैं कि I need to think twice before leaving for somewhere कि मैं अपने बालों का hair style literally कैसे करने वाली हूँ. This is something which I just washed my hair yesterday and then I didn't comb it, and this is the look for my hair, which doesn't look bad. I have got Rukha Sukha hair, which looks a bit curly. So I think I'll leave my hair like this for today, and I'll just do some light makeup and then leave for the day because don't feel like straightening my hair, and इतने ज़्यादा damaged हो चुके हैं ना कि I can't be using any kind of I mean बहुत वैसा कुछ heat का कोई भी चीज़ मैं अपने बालों पर भी यूज़ नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. I was thinking to get my hair colored as well, so I'll plan and get it colored in first week of March most probably. Unfortunately बालों का कलर एकदम जा चुका है, so I can see a vast difference between that black and that brown color which I did last time. So yeah, that's what I have thought, and let me quickly just show you like what I'll be wearing, and I'll just show you from top to bottom all the things that I would be wearing, and I'll try to make a short video as well for the same, like OOTD for the day. So yeah, that's what the plan is as of now, guys, and let me quickly just go ahead and freshen up and meet you once I have got ready, and I am already getting late, so let's go. So guys, this is what I've thought of wearing for today. So this is a beautiful top which is from Zara. Please ignore this mess. I need to get this pressed. It's very much shrinked because मैंने अभी कुछ कपड़े प्रेस वगैरह नहीं करवाए थे. So I'll get this pressed. And if I talk about the jeans, this is a beautiful bootcut jeans which I last purchased from American Eagle. This is a beautiful jeans, and if I talk about the quality of American Eagle jeans, and also only because I've purchased jeans from only as well in the past, and it has been good for me. If I talk about the stretch for this jeans, particularly why I buy jeans from American Eagle, is I love the next level stretch which we get. If you see, it is a bit rugged from the knees wala portion. So yeah, and from the bottom it is like a boot cut. So I will try and buy a good jeans which I can wear for my office, because obviously I can't wear a rugged jeans for my office. So yeah, that's going to be the jeans and top. And I was thinking to go for a leather jacket on the top. I'll quickly just show you the leather jacket which I'm just thinking to wear. I'm going to just wear this leather jacket. I'm just going to put it from the top. I don't think so कि इतनी jacket की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, but just in case, क्योंकि हवा थोड़ी बहुत चल रही है, so I'll just put this on top. So I'll quickly just get ready and then show you once I have just wore all the clothes and once I just get dressed up. So let's go, guys, and I'll see you soon. So guys, I am going to quickly get ready. So ready होने के लिए I've already applied some sunscreen on my face. So this is the t-shirt which I showed you. This is from Zara. It is kind of cropped basically. So yeah, so I have wore the same jeans which I told you was going to wear from American Eagle. For concealer, I'm using this MAC ka concealer. So I'm not going to do a get ready with me on this video. I'm just quickly going to show you what all things I will be applying on my face. So I'm quickly just going to apply some concealer on my face. Already applied this concealer, and quickly I'm just going to put some eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm just going to use this Huda Beauty ka eyeshadow. Unfortunately, this is broken. So I'll quickly just get ready, guys, and then show you how my final look looks like. I've already applied some liner with this plum kajal itself, और जल्दी से बस थोड़ा सा lipstick and I'll be done. And I'm already getting late, so I'll just show you the final look, guys, once I have just applied some lipstick. For hair, I have just made a pony because मुझे जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, my hair is so much dry. मेरा और कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता बालों पे, so I'm just keeping my hair as it is. So I'll quickly just see you guys once I have applied my lipstick. For lipstick, I'm just going with this pink color Nykaa all dry matte lipstick. So I'll just show you once I've just applied this lipstick. So guys, this is the final look after wearing the leather jacket. So yep, so this t-shirt, jacket, check, jeans check, and I'm just going to leave soon now. Such a lovely decoration in the house.
एक मिनट रुको बेटा,
बन रहा है सुबह से।
मेन को डिसाइड करना पड़ता है। कुछ मेनू चेंज किया है,
इसमें
बिकॉज मेरे को बैंकॉक बॉल नहीं दिख रहा।
हाँ ड्रैगन देखो वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ ईयर के ऊपर कौन सा एनिमल
यहाँ चिकन वाले तो हम दोनों ही हैं, तो एक बार मेन्यू देख के ना मेरे को आप जो है वो तो मंगाओ फिर, वो तो कर है, वो आ रहा है मेरे को देख
नहीं बड़े हैं
1987 मम्मा
अभी शोना इधर 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 आज तो ना आया, आज तो कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, आज तो ना आगे कितना सुंदर लग रहा है। कुछ भी नहीं है, देखो ऐसा
ये
आप कौन सा एनिमल हो? आप कौन से एनिमल हो?
ये शीप है
और मैं जानवरी कौन?
मंकी
मंकी
और मौसा जी
ईयर आपका ईयर
डैडी
डैडी रैबिट
और मम्मा
स्नेक है
अम्मा ड्रैगन
तो बेसिकली ईयर वाइज यहाँ पे ये डिसाइड होता है कि आप कौन सा एनिमल हो। So guys, I'm just trying this Vietnamese yellow curry meat, which is something new for me. I have already tried in meal. I have already tried this cottage cheese meal. I'll just show you. So I'm just trying to
ये वाला ना
just change this time and just try something new. And I love one more soup, which is the tom yum soup, which we always order whenever we come to this Varcos. And
वेज और वेज में थाई
not
स्टाइल
getting what we used to order.
या कॉटेज चीज
Yeah, so that's Thai style cottage cheese. This one, this is for chicken. However, हमने veg में order किया है ये.
सब राइस
And which is good. And if you come, you can certainly try that Thai style cottage cheese.
सब राइस
This one in veg.
स्टीम
So let's see, जैसे ही आता है हमारा कैसा होता है. I'll just show you once we receive the order, how it looks and how it tastes. I'll certainly give you a review for the same. So that's the tom yum soup which I was talking about, and it is one of the most famous soup in Varcos. You should definitely try tom yum soup once you visit Varcos.
गरम ही नहीं है बेटा
Satsi paneer momos.
जी जी आपको सब खत्म है
हाँ जी.
सर आपको सब खत्म है
And the soup is delicious. So this is the Vietnamese yellow curry style, and this is the cottage cheese with rice, and this is delicious, guys. So I'll just quickly just taste it and tell you guys how it tastes like.
जल्दी करो यार
फूड वॉज टेस्टी. मतलब मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि मैंने ऑर्डर किया था येलो स्टाइल वेज करी था वो बेसिकली. सो इट वॉज स्वीट. सो अगर आपको स्वीट वैसे कुछ करी पसंद नहीं है तो फिर डोंट गो फॉर इट. अदरवाइज जो मैंने कॉटेज चीज़ करी जो मंगाया था वो बहुत टेस्टी था. इट वॉज पनीर कॉटेज चीज़ करी बेसिकली. सो वो थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी था. स्पाइसी एज एन बहुत स्पाइसी नहीं था, बट यू कैन सर्टनली टेल देम अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा तीखा करना होगा तो आप करवा सकते हो उसको. बाकी ओवरऑल फूड आई वुड रेट इट एज 8 out of 10. एंड प्रॉब्ली जो मैंने आपको मेंशन भी किया था कि टोम यम सूप विच इज़ वेरी मच फेमस इन वर्कोस, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट. इट इज़ क्वाइट वैसा लेमन ग्रास का टेस्ट बेसिकली उस सूप में बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. तो you would like it if you like थोड़ा सा salt taste basically. So I am going to Vegas now. जो मैंने आपको बताया था कि अमेरिकन ईगल की जीन्स लेने के लिए मैंने बोला था आपसे. So I'll go and check out few things जो कि बहुत टाइम से मैंने सोच रखा था परचेस करने के लिए. लेट मी रीच एंड लेट मी शो यू गाइस कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. इफ देयर वुड बी एनी डिस्काउंट आई विल डेफिनेटली लेट यू नो. Vegas is the mall which is nearby to my house, so I would go to some stores and I'll let you know if there would be any kind of discount going on any of the stores, so that you can check out any of the nearest malls वहाँ के stores पे जाके if you are thinking to buy anything. So without any wasting further time, let me quickly just reach the mall and then I'll show you further कि मैं क्या purchase करती हूँ. The sky looks so beautiful guys. बस ये entry है mall का. So I was just looking at the sky and it is looking so amazing. So Vegas mall एक ऐसा mall है ना जिसमें आपको सारे ही brands in fact मिल जाएंगे. The only brand missing in Vegas is Zara. H&M से basically मैं purchase करती हूँ, तो I do have that brand base, and also Lifestyle, which is one more brand from where I do much of my purchases. So let's see कि हमें आज कुछ मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है. So guys, I am an American Eagle and I have just got a few options over here in black and blue. सब मैंने स्ट्रेट फिट में ही देखा है. I'll just wear all the jeans one by one and then show you कि कैसा दिखता है. So let me just quickly try every one of them and then let me just show you कि कौन सा बेस्ट लगता है फिर. I'm not liking this straight cut. I guess I need to go for a boot cut. Let me just check out the boot cut jeans. This is 31 size which I'm wearing, but मेरे को ना उसका fitting इतना, I'm just not liking the fitting. So let me just try other. If I like the boot cut one, I'll just go with that one then. Guys, I'm getting confused with the options. There are so many options available. मैंने एक ये अगेन बैगी वाले इसमें मैंने देखा है. दिस इज़ आई गेस यस दिस इज़ बूट कट एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी बैगी वाला टाइप का जीन्स. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग न्यू फॉर मी विच आई हैवंट ट्राइड इट बिफोर. दिस इज़ अगेन थोड़ा सा 3/4 बैगी फिनिश और बैगी काइंड ऑफ जीन्स एंड देन these are different shades. एक बूट कट है और एक जो है मेरा वो jegging स्टाइल में है. तो let me just quickly go ahead and try all of these and then check out which one looks the best. I am loving this style guys. This baggy jeans, so comfortable. This is in size 31 and I'm just loving this. I am in love with the boot cut jeans guys nowadays. This is giving me such a perfect shape for my legs because I have thick thighs basically, so it's so good. Loving it. So guys, this is going to be my dinner. I just came back from Vegas Mall and since I told you guys that I'm on diet, this is going to be my dinner, which is going to be zucchini cutlet, which is made up of zucchini जो कि थोड़ा सा घिस के उसमें थोड़ा सा गाजर घिस के थोड़ा सा अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप थोड़ा सीजनिंग और उसमें ब्लैक पेपर नमक वगैरह मिक्स करके उसके बाद बस उसको हल्का सा बस तवे पे तेल डाल के आप उसको दोनों साइड से उसको पका सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी माई डिनर एंड आई जस्ट लव द टेस्ट ऑफ इट. This time it is going to be special for me because my sister has cooked this for me. So I'm just quickly going to have my dinner and you can certainly try this recipe at home because it is going to be very much healthy. एंड ऑल्सो zucchini को घिसने के बाद बस इतना ध्यान रखिएगा कि आप हाफ एन आवर उसको रखने के बाद उसका पूरा पानी निकाल दीजिएगा, अदरवाइज़ इट वुड बिकम वेरी आई मीन बहुत ज़्यादा सॉगी हो जाता है. zucchini और गाजर को घिसने के बाद मैंने उसमें थोड़ा सा बेसन, थोड़ा सा सत्तू और मसाले वगैरह ऐड किए थे. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप मिर्च अपने हिसाब से उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो आई एम क्विकली जस्ट गोइंग टू हैव माई डिनर गाइस एंड दैट्स इट फॉर द डिनर एंड I'll see you soon after my dinner. Guys, I had my dinner and I had a great day today wherein I spent very good time with my family wherein I went to Burkos and then I had shopping and then I bought those two jeans which was one was the bell bottom and uh, one was the baggy jeans which I just showed you on which I just made the thumbs up. So those were the two jeans which I just bought for myself, and Gyan also bought one jogger basically and one linen shirt in green color for himself. So it was a good shopping overall. For my dinner, as I showed you, I had zucchini cutlets, which was like 4 cutlets for my dinner, and it is very healthy, very tasty, guys. You can definitely try that at home. So that's it for today's vlog, guys, and I'll be meeting you guys in my next vlog. Till then, please take care of yourself and your family, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that whenever I upload the new video, you guys can certainly get to know about it. And I'll be meeting you guys in my next vlog. Till then, please take care of yourself and I love you. Bye bye.